to Ipanema, so grab your coconut water and join me. If my acting skills didn't convince you, I'm sure this neighborhood will. Just beside Copacabana, Ipanema starts in the Arpoador rock. So the neighborhood is this narrow piece of land comprised between the ocean and the lake. From the Arpoador rock, you have a great view of the beach. On one side you have the Praia do Diabo, or the Devil's Beach, and the other side is Ipanema Beach.
Hello again, it's Will here. We are here in Ipanema Beach. Ipanema is compared to Copacabana, Ipanema is a cooler and younger environment. Here in Ipanema is the birthplace of the famous song. I know you know the song.
Olha que coisa mais linda, mais cheia de graça. Ela, menina que vem e que passa, num doce balanço, caminho do mar.
Rio is the second largest city in Brazil. The first is São Paulo, and the urban design was considered a World Heritage Site by UNESCO. So I'm here in Ipanema. Actually, I'm in Leblon, which is a neighborhood nearby, just beside of Ipanema. And I stop in this place, in this ice cream place, and I order a cashew flavor ice cream. And I think most people from outside Brazil don't know that cashew is actually a fruit we have here. And the nut is only a small part of it. I'm gonna show you right now in the picture. So the whole fruit is a fruit, we can eat that. And it has a very characteristic flavor. If you come to Brazil, please try that. It's an unusual flavor. I think you have never tasted anything like that before. So a few tips when you are walking here in Rio or anywhere in Brazil. Avoid to walk with big cameras, necklace, bracelets, everything that looks expensive, watches. So the people from here are very informal, so you can be too. Usually it's hot, you have the beach, people here are informal, so be informal. Not that it's forbidden to use those things, but it's better to avoid inconvenience situations.
Stop in this ice cream place. I'm trying another very Brazilian flavor, which is açaí. Açaí is actually a berry. It's typical from the north of the country, but now it's common in the whole country. And I think even outside Brazil, people nowadays know what açaí means.
Is São Paulo and the urban design. The urban design was considered a World Heritage Site, and the urban design was considered a World Heritage Site by UNESCO.